Sailing down the Clyde on the Waverley, a grand old boat is the Waverley. She'll take you down to Rossie and be back for tea, the way that you did when you were wee. The buskers played at the after end, the kind of tunes that were the trend. You're always sure to meet a friend before you leave the quay. Sailing down the Clyde on the Waverley, a grand old boat is the Waverley. She'll take you down to Rossie and be back for tea, the way that you did when you were wee. You watched the paddles going round and round, heard the engine stomping sound. Your happy young heart would start to pound at the thought of reaching the sea. Sailing down the Clyde on the Waverley, a grand old boat is the Waverley. She'll take you down to Rossie and be back for tea, the way that you did when you were wee. A boat marina, soon they say, for the Glasgow docks where the big ships lay. The rich folk all can sport and play in their ain wee Waverley. Sailing down the Clyde on the Waverley, a grand old boat is the Waverley. She'll take you down to Rossie and be back for tea, the way that you did when you were wee. Sailing down the Clyde on the Waverley, a grand old boat is the Waverley. She'll take you down to Rossie and be back for tea, the way that you did when you were wee. The shipyard lads would wave hello when building ships was all the go. A dozen shipyards in a row, but now there's only three. Sailing down the Clyde on the Waverley, a grand old boat is the Waverley. She'll take you down to Rossie and be back for tea, the way that you did when you were wee. Now everything is North Sea oil, where the lads we here have gone to toil. The Clyde to get a Russian hydrofoil, but there's only one Waverley. Sailing down the Clyde on the Waverley, a grand old boat is the Waverley. She'll take you down to Rossie and be back for tea, the way that you did when you were wee.